These homemade peanut butter bars are kind of like Reese's peanut butter cups, only they're homemade and they're healthy. You've got to try it. Oh, yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Let's get started by adding some oats to the food grinder. We're going to grind that all up and then put it into a mixing bowl. Now we're going to add some almonds to the food grinder and then grind that up as well. Now we're going to add that to the mixing bowl and give that a stir. Now we microwave some peanut butter to soften it up and add that to the batter. Add a little bit of vanilla extract, some heavy cream, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to blend this all together with an electric mixer. Using a spatula, let's pull the batter to the center of the bowl. Now let's add some sweetener, a little bit at a time, and some heavy cream to moisten the batter. Give that batter a little mix. We're done mixing. Let's do a little more shaping with the spatula. Time for a taste test. And some more sweetener. Wasn't quite sweet enough. Mix that together using the spatula and using your hands, make it into a dough. Now we're going to grease a 5x9 baking dish and add the peanut butter batter to the baking dish. Now press the peanut butter batter firmly down into the mold and use the spatula to smooth it out. Place it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour while we prepare the chocolate topping. Break apart the dark chocolate into a microwave bowl. Add some peanut butter and then microwave the bowl for about 20 seconds. Now mix it thoroughly. Add this to the top of your peanut butter batter and then put that back into the refrigerator for at least an hour. Separate your peanut butter bar away from the mold with a sharp knife. Now, using a sharp knife, cut your peanut butter bars into small serving-sized portions. Grab one piece and enjoy.